Namaste friends and welcome back to my channel. A lot of you think you need to eat 6, 7 or even 8 meals a day to get results. But let me tell you a secret. It's not about the number of meals. It's about the quality and the right macros. So today, I'm going to show you a simple, effective and powerful 5-meal plan that will fuel your muscle growth without keeping you in the kitchen all day. This plan is packed with protein, healthy carbs, and essential fats to help you recover, grow stronger, and achieve that physique you're working so hard for. So, are you ready to see what's on the menu? Let's get started with my first meal of the day. Alright, let's kick things off with meal number 1, my pre-workout meal. I usually have this about 90 minutes before I hit the gym. It's crucial to fuel your body with the right nutrients to have an intense and effective workout session. So, what's on the plate? It's simple. 200 grams of boiled sweet potato and 8 egg whites. Why this combination? Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates. They digest slowly, providing you with a sustained release of energy throughout your entire workout. This means no energy crashes mid-session. And the egg whites? They are a pure, high-quality source of protein, essential for preventing muscle breakdown while you train. This combination gives you the perfect balance of energy and muscle protection. It's easy to prepare, easy to digest, and sets the stage for a powerful workout. Let's get this down, and then it's time to crush it at the gym. And we are back from the gym. That was an incredible session. Now comes the most critical meal of the day, the post-workout meal. Your muscles are like a sponge right now, ready to soak up nutrients to start the repair and growth process. We need to act fast. For meal number 2, I go for a fast-digesting protein and a simple carbohydrate. My go-to is 1 scoop of whey protein isolate mixed with water and a medium-sized banana. Why whey isolate? It's absorbed by the body incredibly quickly, delivering those essential amino acids straight to your muscles when they need them most. The banana provides a quick spike in insulin, which helps shuttle those nutrients into the muscle cells even faster. This isn't a big, heavy meal. The goal here is speed and efficiency to kickstart recovery immediately. It's simple, it's quick, and it's non-negotiable for muscle growth. About an hour after my post-workout shake, it's time for meal number 3, a proper, solid food meal. This is where we really replenish our glycogen stores and provide a substantial amount of protein for muscle repair. Today, I'm having 150 grams of chicken breast and 100 grams of white rice. The chicken breast is a lean protein powerhouse, giving your muscles the building blocks they need to grow bigger and stronger. And the white rice? After a workout, it's an excellent choice. It's a fast-digesting carb that will quickly refill your muscle glycogen, which we depleted during training. I also add a big bowl of salad with cucumber, tomatoes and lettuce for essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This keeps my digestion smooth and provides valuable micronutrients. This meal is the foundation of recovery. Remember, you don't build muscle in the gym, you build it with the right nutrition afterwards. Moving on to the afternoon, it's time for meal number 4. This meal is all about providing a steady supply of nutrients to keep your body in an anabolic or muscle-building state. We want to avoid long gaps between meals which could lead to muscle breakdown. For this meal, I'm keeping it light but nutrient-dense. I'm having 150 grams of paneer, or cottage cheese, and a handful of almonds, about 15 to 20 of them. Paneer is a great source of casein protein, which is a slow-digesting protein. This means it will release amino acids into my bloodstream gradually, feeding my muscles for several hours. The almonds provide healthy fats, which are crucial for hormone production, including hormones vital for muscle growth. They also add some fiber and keep me feeling full and satisfied until my last meal. This is a perfect, easy snack to keep the muscle-building process going all day long. And here we are at meal number 5, the final meal of the day. What you eat before you sleep is just as important as the other meals. While you sleep, your body does most of its repairing and growing. We want to provide it with the right fuel to maximize this recovery process. For my last meal, I'm having a simple yet effective option, a bowl of Greek yogurt. I take about 200 grams. Just like the paneer earlier, Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein. This slow-digesting protein ensures a steady supply of amino acids to your muscles throughout the night, preventing muscle breakdown and promoting recovery while you rest. It's light on the stomach, so it won't interfere with your sleep. No carbs before bed for me, as my energy needs are low. This meal is all about recovery and setting myself up to be stronger for the next day. So there you have it, my friends. A full day of eating with just 5 simple, powerful meals designed to help you build lean muscle mass efficiently. As you can see, it's not complicated. We focused on high-quality protein sources like eggs, chicken, paneer, and whey. We included smart carbohydrates like sweet potatoes and rice around our workout for energy. And we added healthy fats from almonds to support our overall health and hormone function. The key is consistency. Stick to a plan like this, train hard, get enough rest, and I promise you will see amazing results. Building your dream physique is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, sustainable choices every single day. I hope you found this video helpful and that it gives you a clear roadmap for your own nutrition. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from me. If you have any questions about this meal plan or any suggestions for future videos, please drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and I do my best to answer as many questions as I can. Until next time, stay strong, stay motivated, and keep working towards your goals.